So this is called, or I'm calling it, the Crochet Cross Stitch. And it really doesn't matter what amount of stitches you do, but you're going to be working in the round. So this is a bulky yarn, and I'm using a J hook, which is the same as 6. And this is nice, like to make a cowl or gloves or a hat. And I am going to make maybe about 20 chains. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so now I'm going to very carefully go into that first one, and I am going to single crochet, but I am going to pick up the yarn not like this, but like this, from the top to the bottom. Pass it through, make it nice and tall, and then pass it through. Again, you're going to go into the next one. Do not go like that. Please pick your yarn from the top to the bottom, like so. Bring it up nice and tall, and single crochet it. The next one, and single crochet it. The next one, and I am going to go around like this until I go all the way to the beginning, and I'll be right back. I'm where I started, right there, so I'm just going to keep going around. Go into, pick up the whole chain, and pick up your yarn from top to bottom, pass it through, make it nice and tall. Yarn over, take the 2 off. Again, into the next chain, pick up from top to bottom, make it nice and tall, and take off. Nice and tall, and take off. Nice and tall, from top to bottom, and take off. And I'll make a few rounds and show you what it looks like. So see how it turns out? They look like cross stitch. So I think I am going to make napkin holders with something like raffia or twine. This is very, very pretty, or maybe with just thick yarn, because that's how your stitch shows a lot, and it's really pretty. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.